Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
My name is Vinit Deepak Andure. I am a student of Zil Polytechnic, third year mechanical branch. Our topic name is Observe Pneumatic Control used by dentists.
Hello, my name is Yash Kadu. I am from Zil Polytechnic's third year mechanical branch.
Hello, my name is Mahesh Jerpe. I am from Zil Polytechnic third year mechanical branch.
Hello, my name is Sanket Kiran Yadav from Zil Polytechnic, third year mechanical branch.
We make this PPT under guidance of Professor Videsh Sapkal and Professor Ekta Mehta. This PPT contains introduction, main content and case study. Introduction. Pneumatic is a branch of engineering that makes use of gas or pressurized air. Pneumatic systems used in industry are commonly powered by compressed air or compressed inert gases. A certainly located and electrically powered compressors powers cylinders, air motors, pneumatic actuators and other pneumatic devices. Three-way syringe, air rotor and pneumatic dental scaler are some of dental equipments work on pneumatic system.
Main content: three-way syringe. In the three-way syringe is handheld mechanical instrument used to perform a variety of common dental procedures, including removing dirt from teeth, and it is generally made up of stainless steel. It consists of small pipe inserted in its front from where water and air passes. That pipe can be replaced as per our needs. Three-way syringe consists of two buttons. One button is passed to highly pressure water and one button is passed for highly pressure air. It is connected to compressor with the help of flexible pipe. Compressor is attached to the dentist chair. This is used to remove dirt in patient's teeth. The high pressure generated removes the dirt easily. Small pipe attached in the front helps to reach at complicated parts of mouth where we want to spray the water and air. Second, air rotor. A dental drill or handpiece is a mechanical instrument used to perform a variety of common dental procedures, including removing decay, polishing fillings, performing cosmetic dentistry, and alternating processes. The turbine is powered by compressor air between 35 and 61 pounds per square inch, which passes up the center of instrument and rotates the center of The complete rotor is fixed with O-rings in the head of the high speed. The O-rings allow the system to become a perfect centric during the ideal speed, but allow a small movement of rotor within the head.
Third, pneumatic dental scaler. Pneumatic scaler for fast and simple tartar removal. The instrument can be used of any unit in place of the turbine handpiece without requiring any additional adjustment. The scaler can be used for prophylaxis procedure or bone surgery with the aid of the range of KAVO and Comet insert. The power of vibration can be adjusted with a rotating ring, making the prophylaxis more flexible and accurate. The scaler comes complete with 3 different inserts. Case study. A pneumatic system is a system that uses compressed air to do work. The captured air transport it around a circuit and accomplish design tasks with the generated energy. Three-way syringe, air rotor and pneumatic dental scaler are dentist equipment work on pneumatic system. Every equipment has their own characteristics and uses. Thanks for watching.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.